Most people think that once money goes into a Roth IRA, it's locked up until retirement. And that if you touch it too early, you're going to get hit with taxes, penalties, or both. But that's actually not true, because there's a part of your Roth IRA you can access anytime, tax-free, penalty-free, no waiting. And once you understand how this works, it completely changes how you think about using a Roth IRA, not just as a retirement account, but as a flexible wealth building tool that you can max out each year, because you know you don't have to wait until you're 59 and a half to access it. I'm Matt Sorensen, attorney and CEO of Directed IRA, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what money you can take out, what money you can't, and how sophisticated investors are using this strategically. Because when you understand this correctly, a Roth IRA isn't just something you set and forget, and then at 59 and a half, you get to enjoy it. Instead, it becomes the most powerful and flexible investment account and tool available, and there's no equal. Let's get into it. First, we need to talk about how Roth IRA withdrawals actually work. This is when you're taking money out of your Roth IRA that you're going to use personally. And let's start with a key concept that most people just skip and miss, and that is your Roth IRA has two buckets of money in it. It has contributions, the money you put into the Roth IRA, and it has earnings. This is the growth and the investments appreciating over time. So I have contributions and I have earnings. The reason you need to understand the different buckets is they are taxed and treated separately. Now your contributions, and this is the key, the money you put in and contribute each year, $7,500 for example in 2026, can be withdrawn anytime, tax-free, penalty-free. There's no age requirement, there's no waiting period, you don't have to be 59 and a half. You can always take out the money you put into your Roth IRA as a contribution whenever you want, because you already paid taxes on that money before you contributed. It's because of this that the IRS allows you to take this money out whenever you want. Now let's compare this separately to earnings. The earnings in your Roth IRA are subject to a different set of rules. Earnings you can't take out until you're 59 and a half and you've had a Roth IRA for 5 years. Once you've had a Roth IRA for 5 years and you're 59 and a half, I can pull out the earnings tax-free and penalty-free. But most people think the entire Roth IRA is bottled up until you're 59 and a half. That's simply not true. The contributions come out whenever you want at whatever age. Now, you might be wondering about the ordering rules for taking money out of your Roth IRA. Do I get to pick and choose? If I have a $100,000 Roth IRA and I want to take $10,000 out, do I get to say $10,000 of that I'm going to take out is the contributions? Yes, you do. You get to take out the contributions first, which means I can take out money from my Roth IRA whenever I want, tax and penalty free. I'm not forced to take out the earnings first or to take out a portion of the earnings and the contributions pro rata. Instead, the IRS allows you to take out the contributions, which is the money you are not taxed on, and there is no penalty first, and you can take that out before you're 59 and a half. Now let's make this real and add some numbers to it. Let's say over time you contribute $7,500 a year into your Roth IRA, and you do that for 10 years. That would mean you're going to have a contribution bucket of $75,000. And let's say that your account has grown and the actual value is $125,000. This means I have $75,000 of contributions and $50,000 of earnings. Now, if I needed money today, I could withdraw up to $75,000. No tax, no penalty. I could be age 25, 35, 45, 55. I don't need to wait till I'm 59 and a half. You can take those contributions out, 75 grand in this example, whenever I want. The additional 50,000 that's earnings, if I take that out before I'm 59 and a half, I will have taxes. I will have an early withdrawal penalty of 10%. We do not want to do that. You will need to wait until you're 59 and a half to withdraw the earnings, taxes, and penalty free. Now in this situation, the ability to take out money, tax and penalty free of the contributions is critical. Understanding this distinction unlocks the Roth IRA. It does not bottle the whole thing up until you're 59 and a half. This ability to pull contributions out whenever you want is unique to Roth IRAs. You cannot do this with a traditional IRA. You cannot do this with an HSA. You cannot do this with a Roth 401k. And this is where the strategy comes in. Because a Roth IRA is not just a place I put money in and forget it for 30 years. The Roth IRA is this flexible reserve account. It's this backup liquidity source. And I don't even need to have a large emergency savings account because I know I can be more aggressive to put money in the Roth IRA because I can pull the money out whenever I want. I don't need a 3-month emergency savings. Maybe I only need a 1-month emergency savings account. And for a lot of people who are new to investing and they're trying to get the most money invested and working for them, being able to put it in a Roth IRA and invest it and have the comfort that I can draw the contributions out whenever I want allows you to put more money in the Roth IRA than you otherwise would, and that will accelerate your wealth building journey. Now, hopefully you don't ever need to touch it, but you know if you have to, you could draw on those contributions from the Roth IRA at any time, tax and penalty free. And because of this, the Roth IRA is the first account I recommend you start investing in after you take advantage of any 401k match. The ability to put money in a Roth IRA, start investing it, having that money grow and come out tax-free with the option to draw the contributions if there is a financial emergency, the AC unit goes out, the car breaks down, a medical emergency for you or someone in your family, whatever it is, I know I can access those contributions if I need to. That allows me to be much more aggressive in maxing out my contributions. Now, this emergency flexibility can come in handy, and I've seen this used with clients over the years. And let's say that you had a Roth IRA that you've contributed $40,000 to over a number of years, and some unexpected expenses come up. Medical expense, a business expense or issue, some life event, and you need to draw on those contributions. That's an opportune time to use the Roth IRA and that money you've put aside and set aside in that type of financial emergency. What I'm not talking about here is taking money out of your Roth IRA early for a vacation, to buy a new car you really don't need, other expenses in life that you have. Don't draw on your Roth IRA for that. You can only put so much money into your Roth IRA every year, and the money grows and comes out entirely tax-free. It's the most efficient wealth building tool you're going to have. So we only want to touch it if we absolutely have to. This ability to access the contributions you've made to your Roth IRA before age 59 and a half is also an incredible tool for those using a bridge strategy. If you're retiring early, let's say you're retiring at 57 and you have multiple retirement accounts. You're not 59 and a half yet, so if you draw on your traditional IRA, traditional 401k, Roth 401k, you're going to have a 10% early withdrawal penalty and possibly taxes as well. So I don't want to draw on those accounts. But let's say I'm 57 and I need some bridge money. I can use the money I've put into my Roth IRA to take tax-free contributions out for the next couple of years until I hit 59 and a half. Because remember, this money you've been putting into your Roth IRA for 10, 20, 30 years, all of those contributions come out tax and penalty free before you hit 59 and a half. This account's unique. I can't do that with a 401k. I can't do that with a traditional IRA. I can't do that with my HSA, but I can do it with my Roth IRA. So if you're someone that's been strategic about building wealth in your retirement accounts, but you want to retire before you're 59 and a half, remember, we can bridge this time period before 59 and a half by drawing money out tax and penalty free from the contributions in your Roth IRA. This can allow you to retire earlier without having to take taxes and penalties before you're 59 and a half. Now, here's a word of caution though, and really this is a life lesson. Just because you can do something doesn't mean you should. Just because I can access the money in my Roth IRA early doesn't mean that I should. Pulling money out for lifestyle spending, short-term wants, that is poor planning. This is not a time to draw the Roth IRA. Instead, think about it for financial emergencies. This bridge strategy of early retirement before you're 59 and a half. Roth IRA funds grow and come out tax-free, so they should be the last place you go to draw on. And keep in mind, once you distribute contributions out of the Roth IRA, you cannot put them back in. It's not like I get to put that $7,500 back in once I take the distribution. The real goal of a Roth IRA and the power of it is tax-free growth compounding over decades. Now let's go back to that earlier example I gave. $75,000 of contributions that has now grown over 10 years to $125,000. But if we look at this over 20 more years where you put in $7,500 a year and you get a 10% annual return, like you could get in an S&P 500 fund, What's going to happen is your Roth IRA is going to be $1.3 million completely tax-free. The best way to build this account up is to let it grow and compound over time. Depleting it is going to stunt the growth. So you only draw on the Roth IRA and you only take out these contributions early if you absolutely have to. The most sophisticated investors I've worked with think about it like this. Their contributions are accessible early as a safety net. Not because they're going to take it, just if they absolutely need to. The earnings, meanwhile, is their long-term wealth engine. This is the tax-free bucket of wealth that they're going to grow and access later in retirement. We want to protect all of the earnings at all costs, and we only want to tap these contributions when it's strategic, when it's absolutely necessary, or where it creates better opportunity for us than letting the money continue to stay invested. Now, for those of you who use a backdoor Roth IRA, this strategy of accessing the contributions early still works, but the rules and the process are a little different. Now, the backdoor Roth IRA is a high income earner strategy. If you're a high income earner and you've been told you can't have a Roth IRA, that's not true. You can't have a regular Roth IRA and make regular Roth IRA contributions, but you can have a backdoor Roth IRA and make backdoor Roth IRA contributions. That money's still going to grow and come out tax-free. In a backdoor Roth IRA, what we have is a traditional IRA where you make a contribution that is non-deductible. You will also have a Roth IRA where you're going to convert the funds in the traditional IRA over to the Roth IRA. You can do $7,500 a year in 2026. That money is now Roth IRA money. You had to go through this two-step process because you're a high-income earner. This is a tax loophole. You can do this at Fidelity, at Schwab, at our company-directed IRA. It is a tried and true strategy for high-income earners. Now, for those of you with a backdoor Roth IRA, you didn't make a regular Roth IRA contribution. You made a traditional contribution that you converted to Roth. The money sitting in your Roth IRA is Roth conversion dollars. What that means is I cannot tap that money immediately. I must wait 5 years after each conversion that I make. So for example, if I put $7,500 into my Roth IRA in 2026, I can pull that money out, no tax, no penalty, in 5 years. That means I will need to wait until 2031. I don't need to wait until I'm 59 and a half. I can still get that money early, but I don't get to take it immediately. There is a 5-year window for each conversion. So each year I'm contributing to the backdoor Roth IRA, I'm frankly doing a Roth conversion for my annual contribution. That means each bucket of annual contributions will have a 5-year window ticking on it. The nice thing is I still can get early access to that money. It's just not so simple and immediate like it is with a standard Roth IRA contribution. But the cool thing about the backdoor Roth IRA is this strategy is available to any high-income earner. When Roth IRAs were first created, Congress said these are incredible wealth-building vehicles. Well, let's not let high-income earners use them. They already make too much money. This was meant for middle-class or lower-income individuals to give them an advantage. However, by using the loophole of the backdoor Roth IRA, you can contribute and build up a Roth IRA account using the backdoor strategy, and we can access those annual contributions after the 5-year window ticks by taking the money out early, even before we're 59 and a half. Now that you know the money in your Roth IRA can be accessed even before you're 59 and a half, this changes how you think about a Roth IRA, because the money's not just locked up in a retirement account until you're 59 and a half. It is a long-term tax-free investment vehicle, but it comes with flexibility. And that combination is incredibly powerful and unique. If you've been thinking about your Roth IRA as something you cannot touch until your retirement at age 59 and a half, you're missing out on one of its biggest advantages. Used correctly, a Roth IRA gives you long-term tax-free growth and short-term flexibility when you need it. And if you're ready to take control of your Roth IRA and start investing beyond the stock market, my team at Directed IRA can help you do it. We specialize in self-directed accounts that let you invest in real estate, private deals, and more, all within the tax advantage vehicle of a Roth. Check out the link in the description below and book a free call to learn how to get started to build a powerful retirement strategy that works for you. And if this video was helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss future content. I'm Matt Sorensen. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.